Hi everyone. As you are aware of today's topic by viewing the thumbnail, ILD of a cantilever beam. Some may have doubt that why being a determinate structure, cantilever beam is not considered for making ILDs. So let us discuss about this ILD with related to the cantilever beam in today's topic. Let us start. So this is the cantilever beam which has a fixed end at its left support, which has a RA reaction and a moment MA, and this is the load point, so which is of W, maybe a unit load of W equal to 1. So by taking the vertical equilibrium condition, summation Fy equals 0, upward arrows are positive. I am writing out only the vertical reactions and combining, I am finding out the RA value as 1. So this ILD for shear force will be, see, it's W1. So this is 1 and this is 1 and this is the x ordinate. So this is the ILD for shear force. Let us now calculate the bending moment. So the bending moment at this point is obviously 0, and then bending moment is once load into distance, so 1 into x, which is x distance. So the bending moment point will be 0 and here it's 1 into x. But generally we can write the condition moment at x equal to W into x, taking this section. Substitute the boundary values, put x equal to 0, what the value mx will be equal to 0. Put x is equal to L, the moment at L will be W into L, and generally moment at x equal to W into x. So plot according to this condition. You may get for this point it is 0, since x is equal to 0. For x point it is W into x or just x. Here it is a unit load, so which is x and which is L, and for here it is L. So this is the ILD for bending moment. Some may have a doubt that, so being this is a fixed end, you should have the ordinate here, and being it's a free end, it should be 0. You need to know that this is the ordinate diagram for cantilever beam, not this, it is not the bending moment diagram. So whatever the load may be, so you just place or superimpose over the ILD diagram and calculate it and substitute it to the value of moment at A. Let the load is acting here, so which may be 10 kilonewtons and the distance may be 5 meters. So this value is 5. So the superimposed load is 10. So the moment value will be 10 into 5, which is 50 kilonewton meter, and this load has to be taken to the moment at A. So this is moment at A will be 50 kilonewton meter. So you always need to think of that this is not the bending moment diagram, this is the ordinate diagram. So you need to keep in mind always. And why being a cantilever beam it is not used in a rolling load? Since it's a rolling load, we need a point of entry and we need a point of exit. So simply supported structure is a structure which can make a conveyance. In case of fixed, there won't be any conveyance. It will stop here. It can't move behind since it's a free end. So hence the basic structure of rolling loads, the basic determinate structure of rolling load is simply supported beam. That's why for the most often conditions cantilever beams are not considered for ILD. You need to keep this in mind. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.